Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. First of all guys, to wear multiple hairs, you have to click on this menu button and go to in avatar editor. Now let me change my avatar's head first because the head is big. In here you will see multiple hairs are here. So you just need to select. If you're trying to select multiple hair, it won't work. You can see it automatically unselect the previous one. So how can you select multiple hairs or more than two hairs? So first of all, you have to scroll down, or you can right click on any hair that you want to wear more also, like the new hair. So let me select this hair, right click on it, and copy the link address of this new hair and open a new tab, paste it here, and copy the asset ID of this hair. As you can see, this asset ID. Just copy. Okay, now you have to scroll down, and now you just need to click on this advanced link. Now paste it here. Now just click on this save button. Click on save, and boom, we have worn two hairs simultaneously at once. You can see. So this trick only works for two hairs only. If you want to wear multiple hairs or more than two hairs, you can do one thing also. You have to search for one extension called BT Roblox. This extension. On it and open this extension. Install this extension and background. So just open extensions, go to manage extensions and enable it in the background. You just need to go to Roblox page and refresh your page. Go back to hair and body and go to hair. And now if you're trying to select multiple hairs, it allows to do that. And you see, so this tricks works very fine, and hope you like it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye bye. So this first one is works for only mobile, but the second one you can try on PC as well. So it's easy to wear two hairs on mobile or a PC, but if you want to wear more than two hairs, it only works on PC. So make sure to think about it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing our channel. Till then, bye.